من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am going to explain for you here how to use the Google map to reach to the Bar Al Hakman. We call it Oman Maldives. You know, it is very nice place. First of all, when you are going to use the Google map, of course, I will give you the link. You can find it in the description of my YouTube. Here, this is the north and east points, how you can record it in the compass and you can find it. This is the road which you are coming from Mahmoud going to Masira. Here you have the way, but it is not, of course, it is the this way or the greater road. You can find this is the greater road. You can go from here to this direction. It is around 25 kilometers from here, and you can use the compass. Of course, it is very important there because the Google map is not working when you are going there. There is no signals. You try to get be south or the southeast, but not full east. It will be in between south to southeast until you reach to this point. Also, I will share with you the link for this point in the Google map, and you can find the points, the details, the east and north. Here it is this. Of course, when you arrive here, there is the camps. You can see the camps here. Where, of course, it is very nice place. We call it Khor al Malh by here, the local name. And a lot of people they call it Al Maldives beach, or that is very white beach or white beach. You can find some old boats and big ships for the fishermen. It was very old places, but also it is very nice for the swimming. You can get the also here when you are going to the east side, you can find another camp. We call it in there is a place we call it Khor Kanasa in the local name. Also, it is very nice. There are the camp if you want to get rent camp. It is very clean and very nice place. Of course, if you are like to fishing, you can use the net for fish to catch fish. This is the way when you are coming back from Bar Al Hakman to Hnout way. Also, you try to use the same way. And also, when you are going to the Google map, you try to use the north side. You will find some ways on the greater road until you reach here. This is the road which is coming from Shanna to Mahmoud. So that's you will arrive to the place. This is what I want to share it with you. Inshallah, it will be the easy way, and I hope all of you have a nice trip. Thank you. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.